Damn.
That has been one of my biggest fears.
To be a mom.
Yeah.
I mean, I can't wait to be one.
But then I don't know in the future, like eventually. But I feel like I'm scared of a lot of things. I feel like I dislike my parents a lot at a point because they brought me here. I'm like, why did you see the need to bring? I was chilling fine in heaven. You didn't need to bring me here.
Girl, you won the race. Did they tell you to win it?
What is it?
Are you not the one that won the race?
And why did they put me there?
Did they tell you to win it?
Why did they not put
why
the
did
next
you
batch?
push other 99 million people? And why did you go and enter the egg? If you didn't enter the egg, will you be
sweet
here?
At the end. I thought it was a good. I thought it was a beautiful race, man. I ran.
Did not bring you. You won the race.
Fuck. And then again,
we are all winners here. We won the race, and we are here on Earth. Period. Oh,
it's
shit.
like, oh, me. Junior secondary school, junior YX, junior secondary school.
Ah,
YX,
God, I was thinking about it. There's one time, like when I was still in school, I was in like SS 2 or 3, and I saw those people in kindergarten. I was like, I pity you. I feel bad for you. You're about to go through nursery. You're about to go through primary.
Like, think about the trauma you used to have in primary school when you don't do your assignment on Sunday and you come to school.
Yes.
Jesus Christ. I don't think I've felt that kind of trauma in my life.
Or the one where you are late and then do not separate late comers. You not experience that one.
Sometimes, but then even my school.
I thought I'll be late of this thing. From if I think I'll be crying because I say, Mommy, don't flog me. My parents used to use like, Mommy, don't flog me. I said, and my school used to do that. Your parents must sign your assignment. If they don't sign it, then they'll punish you. Now once I learned my mama's signature and started forming it.
They turned us into the demon.
Yeah. Or I learned it too because sometimes I do my assignment that morning. Or like in school. When I get school like sometimes 6:30, I'll just do it, I'll just from the signature. Sometimes they'll know to be like this thing.
I feel like my last primary school was the coolest school I've ever attended in my life.
Yeah, the first Ghanaian person I ever met in my life was my primary 6 teacher, Mr. Safo. Yeah, but he's late now.
You did primary school in Ghana too?
No. That's why I said the first Ghanaian I met was in Nigeria.
Okay.
Yeah. It was so I remember him. Yeah. Oh, Jesus, Sunday is going to be so terrible for me.
Stop, don't say that.
No, I'm not saying, I'm just saying like I'm going to be so tense. I'm going to be so, fuck, man. I was saying after that, if Ebuka said, you said, Ebuka said, you move on, am I going? Like, I'm not even care. I say, yeah, this person is a mad person. Yeah, this person is mad. Am I going home or not? Like, tell me. Like, I don't care what the fuck I said or what I did not say.
Did you see that storage?